Welcome back to Lots of Yum for You, and today we're going to do a quick and easy recipe in the backyard because the kitchen is being remodeled, on a burner, on a table. I'm doing gluten-free, flour-free, flourless, whatever you want to call it, fried chicken wings with garlic powder, pink salt, and black pepper. Yummy. So let's dive right into this video and create this deliciousness. Hi everyone, so I am ready to get down to business and time to get cooking of this deliciousness. I'm going to turn on my burner to a medium heat. Pour in some olive oil. All right. Probably like a ½ inch. Wait for a couple of minutes for the oil to get hot, and then I'm going to start putting in my chicken wings. Okay folks, here's my chicken wings. I have them marinating in pink salt, pepper, and garlic powder. My oil is hot and ready. This smells amazing, by the way. It's good to season up your chicken the night before. No flour, just some pink salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And here we go. Okay, so after 4 minutes, I start checking the chicken just to see if we're getting it to be golden brown. Now it's cooking. I have it on medium high. Check another piece. Oh wow, look at that. So far, our chicken's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Remember you're cooking it on medium. Remember you're cooking it on medium heat. Checking it just to see if it's browning. You can have it cook another minute or two. Let's try for the second side. Wow. Between 5 and 7 minutes is when it's turning brown on one side. Just depends on where your chicken is at in your pan. There we go. Wow. Cooking nice and brown. You can see how brown our chicken is getting on both sides. If you need to, turn down the heat because you want to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly on the inside. So you can cook it on a medium to medium high. It depends. I'm doing a medium. There we go. And here we have it, folks. Quick and easy, delicious fried chicken without flour, gluten-free, outside, because the kitchen is getting remodeled. So we're gonna do the deliciousness test. There we go, folks. Looks yummy, right? Okay, I will see you guys back for the taste test. Hi, everyone. So now that our chicken is finished and cooked, oh my gosh, look at this. Absolutely delicious, right? Okay, well now it's time to do the taste test. I'm just gonna pick one. Oh my goodness, yummy. Oh my gosh, I had to hurry up and get that out of my mouth. Absolutely delicious, folks. Quick and easy recipe. I will put the information, ingredients into the description box. All we have here is just some chicken wings, pink salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and any other seasonings of your choice. Pop it into some olive oil or any oil of your choice. Fry it up for 10 to 12 minutes and boom, you got some delicious chicken wings. All right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video when we all create some deliciousness. Bye for now.